so much, Lord, for that beautiful move that you provide to us. Guys, we are going to enjoy that move. This is the move that we're going to put down in that video. So let me play it for you. Let me play it again for you so you can hear it. Okay? So don't worry, we are going to have fun with that. Okay? I'm going to try to break this down note by note for you so you can understand everything. And I hope that it is going to help you to change entirely your playing. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. Okay? And without wasting any time, let's jump right into our video. In that video, we will be in the key of C major, so everything can be easy for you. Okay? So let me have a look again on that chord progression. Okay, yeah. Okay. So, as I told you, I'm going to break that chord progression for you note by note so you can understand it and use it in your playing. I think that chord progression can help you to change your playing. Okay? So, this is C major scale, and we will want the numbers also. This is the 1, we have the 2, we have the 3, we have the 4, we have the 5, we have the 6, we have the 7, and then back to the 1. Okay? And then after that, we have the flat 2. Okay? We have the flat 3. We have the flat 5. We have the flat 6. And then we have the flat 7. Okay? We will want them too. Okay? So, let me show you that chord progression in the key of C major. You see, so we can use that chord progression as a bridge to connect two parts of a song. For example, let me use that song, I Surrender All. I surrender all. I surrender all. I surrender all. You see, I just connect two parts of the song using that chord progression. Okay? I surrender all. I surrender all. You see? I hope you understand everything there. This is what I'm going to show you. In any song, you can use that chord progression as a bridge to connect like two parts of the song, two lines, I don't know. Okay? So let's break this down. As I told you, we are in the key of C major. And then to start that chord progression, we will go on the flat 3 of the C major scale. Okay, let me say it again. To start with that chord progression, we will go on the flat 3 of our major scale, which is C major. What's the flat 3? 1, 2, 3, flat 3. That is the flat 3. Okay, E flat. So E flat major scale is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? So while being in that key, we are going to play a 4, 3, 2, 1 flat 7 chord progression. Okay, be careful. Try to understand everything that I say. First, I told you that we are in the key of C major. To start with that famous chord progression, we will go on the flat 3. 1, 2, 3, flat 3. And then on the flat 3, we are going to play a 4, 3, 2, 1 flat 7 chord progression. Okay, so you see it? and then back to the second of C major, and then back to home. You see, so the left hand will play that melody line in the key of E flat. 4, 3, 2, 1, flat 7. Back to the second note of C major, and then back to our home. You see, back to the 1. Okay? So, you almost got it. Now let's move on. We are going to play both hands. Okay? So together, this is what we are going to do. We will play the 4. Okay, there we are still in the key of E flat major, the flat 3 of C major. Okay, so this is the 4. 4. There I play it as a major 7 chord. Okay, the 4 would be like this. Okay, simple. But if we want to play it as a major 7 chord, we can play it like this. Okay, there, this is a 4 major 7 chord, and then we are going to get back to the 3. Okay, in the key of E flat. This is the 3 minor 7 chord, G minor 7. This is G in my left hand, and then a B flat in the second inversion in my right hand. Okay, this is F, B flat, D, B flat major in the second inversion, and then back to the 2 in the key of E flat, a 2 minor 7 chord. This is a F minor 7, F in my left hand in E flat, A flat, C. Okay, just to play A flat in my right hand. This is a A flat major in the second inversion. Okay, and then back to this. There, this is a major 9 chord. This is the 1 as a major 9 chord in the key of E flat. Okay, this is E flat, and then there, this is a B flat major in the second inversion. F, B flat, D, and then there we will go on that chord. There, this is the flat 7 of E flat major. Okay, D flat in my left hand, and then in my right hand I just play the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 as an add 2 chord. Okay, I put them together. Okay, let me try to play them again slowly. You got it? So easy. It is not so difficult. Okay, so you see, and then back to the second of C major, which is a D in my left hand, and there I just play a F minor in the first inversion in my right hand. F minor, and I invert it. This is the first inversion, A flat, C, F, and then back to home. You see, or I can play the bass on the perfect fifth, on the 5th. Okay, it depends to the context that we use it. So I hope you understand everything. I take all my time to explain that note by note so you can understand. So let's try with the song so you can see how I use it as a bridge to connect like 2 parts of the song. Okay? I surrender. I surrender. Surrender. There. And then we start. I surrender. You see? I surrender. And then we can end the song with it also. Okay, if we are ending a song, we can use it as well. This is so nice. So nice, guys. I love it. So let's try to play this in a different key. So I have never played it in F sharp. Now let's use the same formula to search it in the key of F sharp major, okay? So we have this scale which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The formula said to us that we should go on the flat 3 of our key. So 1, 2, 3, and then flat 3. This is the flat 3. Okay, A major. A major scale is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you remember that the chord progression that we're going to play, it is 4 in the key of A major now, on the flat 3 of F sharp. 4, 3, 2, 1, flat 7, and then back to the second of F sharp, second, and then to go to our home. Okay, in the key of F sharp. So you see, 4, 3, 2, 1, flat 7, 2, 1. You got it? So we are going to try to play both hands together. I will be slowly. Okay? So we are going in the key. We are going to play this in the key of A major. So we will go on the 4, and then we will play a 4 as a major 7 chord, which will be like this, I guess. Yeah. So let's go in a lower octave. Okay, so this is the 4 as a major 7, chord, and then we will get back to the 3 as a minor 7 chord, to the 2 also as a minor 7 chord, and then back to the 1 as a major 9 chord. Okay, and then we will go on the, let me guess that chord. Yeah, that chord. Okay, it's just the flat 7 in my left hand and the 4 as an alto chord, and then I'm going to get back on the 2 of our key, which is F sharp, and then there I'm going to invert the 4 minor chord of F sharp. Okay, and then back to the 1. So let me try again slowly in the key of A major. So we're just going to play it like this. Bum, 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 bum. You see, let me try it in one last key. So now let's try in the key of, let me see, C sharp major. Okay, so C sharp major scale is, and then we will go on the flat 3. 1, 2, 3, flat 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll play a 4, 3, 2, 1, flat 7, back to the 2 of C sharp, and then back to our home. Okay, so it will be like this. A 4 major 7 chord in the key of E major, which is the flat 3 of C sharp. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 4. In a simple way, it would be like this. So we just get that turning, that wood down a half step. Okay, we got the 4 as a major 7 chord. Okay, and then back to the 3 as a minor 7 chord, to the 2, okay, to the 1 as a major 9 chord, and then back to that famous chord which is a flat 7 of E in my left hand, and the 4 of E, 1, 2, 3, 4, as an alto chord, and then back to the 2 of C sharp, and then the first inversion of the 4 minor chord in the key of C sharp, and then back to our home, back to home. Okay, so you got this?